So it's early morning Saturday, and we're going to pick up the passion fruit that I brought indoors because I want to repot it. And since it has fruits, I know it will drop, and I just don't want to wait. And I know that the fruit is already ripening, it has changed color. So it will finish up ripening on the counter. So I will show you how they look. So here's my son. He wants to pick it. Come on, Xander. Come. I'll show you. Come. You can pull it. Oops. Well, it seems that they were almost ready anyways because it dropped. I barely touched it. He's so happy. So I have quite a bit of more passion fruits in here. They're pretty decent size. They're like medium size. They fit in the palm of my hand. Look at it. Here's another one. Whoops. There's, I think, 4 more passion fruits in there. So let me see how I can pick them because I'm not that too tall. So here's my passion fruit that I just harvested. I harvested 8. They're all turning purple. And again, I wouldn't worry that they wouldn't ripen because they will ripen up in the counter. I got 8. So my son wants to show his toy. I know there's one more left, and I couldn't find it unless this little guy already picked it because it was, I think, at his height. It was reachable. So as you can see, I think the very tips of this passion fruit were drying because I did leave it outside when we got our first hard freeze. And relatively did pretty well. Only the tips got a bit damaged, but other than that, it'll perk right back up after I repot it because I'm planning to repot it because I don't want to I haven't watered it, and I don't want to bring any bugs or anything of that nature inside. So I know the moment I'll water, there'll be lots of little gnats or flies around the house, so I'm trying to avoid that. So this is how it looks, and again, it grows very fast. And the one thing I learned this year is the passion fruit flowers on new growth, and unfortunately I had already trimmed that new growth. So there's still some new growth around, and I know I'll get some passion fruit this in 2024. So I'm pretty happy with 10 this year. I can ask for more, so I'll keep you guys updated as I repot this passion fruit. Take care. So here's a passion fruit, and I'll be showing you the ripening progress. So I did leave them in the counter at room temperature. My household is usually around the 70s. So this up here is roughly a week later. So they were turning purple, and I actually ate one, and it was so flavorful and fragrant. And this is actually about 2 weeks later.